your state right now is not permanent. Madalas we look down on ourselves because of our current situation. Yung tipong tinitingnan natin ang mga kakayahan natin as limited, tapos tinitingnan natin ng iba na napakagaling nila. But you know what? Your state right now is not permanent because there is always a chance to become better. Kailangan lang you must have a clear picture of what you will become. Ano bang gusto mo maging? What kind of level of skill do you want? What kind of achievement do you want to reach? What kind of knowledge do you want to acquire? And in the practical sense, what kind of income do you want to receive? Kaya kaibigan, instead of feeling sorry for yourself right now, for the things you lack, be excited about how you will grow yourself towards the vision of who you are in the future. Lagyan mo ng timeline yan, 5 years ba, 10 years ba, or maybe at the end of the year, what will be your transformation? Alam mo, gusto ng Diyos mag-grow ka. And if you pray to Him and ask His graces para maabot mo yun, God being the perfect Father that He is, He will hear your prayer and He might even exceed your expectations kasi His plans are always better than ours. My prayer is that you work hard to becoming better and better each day.